In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of changing your page size inside Adobe Express. Whether you are creating a post for social media or designing a custom flyer for print, knowing how to manage your canvas dimensions is a fundamental skill. First, you need to open your existing project within the Adobe Express editor. Once your workspace has loaded, look toward the top toolbar where you will see the Resize option. Clicking this button opens a menu that gives you full control over your layout. You will notice a variety of suggested preset sizes that are automatically optimized for popular platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These presets are incredibly helpful if you want to ensure your content looks perfect without having to memorize specific dimensions. However, if you have a specific requirement that does not fit into a standard category, you can simply select the custom option to enter your own exact measurements. Before typing in any numbers, make sure to pick your preferred unit of measurement from the drawdown menu, such as pixels, inches, or centimeters. This choice is important depending on whether your final work is intended for a screen or for a physical printer. Once your units are set, go ahead and enter your new width and height into the provided fields. As you make these changes, Adobe Express does a great job of showing you how your elements might shift. When you are happy with the new settings, just click the Resize button at the bottom of the panel. You might need to move a few images or text boxes around to fit the new aspect ratio, but the bulk of the work is handled for you instantly. Mastering this tool allows you to repurpose one single design for many different uses with just a few clicks. I hope this guide helps you streamline your creative workflow. Thank you for watching and happy designing.